All right, everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping. Wait, why is it so dark in here? All right, that's better. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe before the video is over. All right, guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to create your own light in a light box, and it'll be portable, and it will be on a light switch, and you can plug that into any receptacle. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that, so stay tuned, and let's jump right into it. Alright, so first I went ahead and took a piece of 14-2 wire and cut it. This is going to be the piece that goes into the wall to plug into and into the box. I went ahead and stripped that out, removed the paper, flipped it over, stripped out the other side, and then grabbed my switch leg side and stripped that out as well. And that is going to be the side going out of the box into your light eventually. And then I went ahead and knocked out the knockouts in the box for my wire. Put the first side in from the plug side, and then the other side in from the switch leg side. And then I went ahead and started to make those up. I grabbed a ground pigtail and tied those together, and that will be for the ground on the switch. So I went ahead and tied those together. Went ahead and stripped out all four of the other wires, the two neutrals and the two hots. Went ahead and tied the neutrals together as they are not needed for the switch. Tied those together and folded all that into the box, and then went ahead and curled the ground wire and started to put that on the switch, tightened it down, and then also hit it with the flat blade to get it nice and tight. Then I went ahead and put in the switch leg and the hot wire, and doesn't matter which one you put it to. Tightened both of those down with the Phillips and the flat blade. Then I went ahead and pushed the switch down into the box, stripped the wires that will be eventually used in the plug on the whip, and then I went ahead and moved to the other end of the switch leg, which is going to be going into the switch box. Went ahead and stripped that out and stuck it into the box. Next, I curled those wires once I got them inside of the box and folded the ground back, and then grabbed my light and then hooked them on and tightened them down, silver to white and gold to black. Then I went ahead and put the screws inside of the box, and then put the light on top of it, twisted it, and then grabbed my drill and tightened those down. And so that end of the light is ready to go. Went ahead and grabbed the screws for my switch, tightened that down to the box, and then grabbed the switch plate. One of the screws was missing, but anyways, I tightened the one screw down. Then I went ahead and grabbed my plug whip, which is going to be for plugging this all into the wall. So I went ahead and started to tie down the grounds to each other, and then the neutrals to each other, and then the hots to each other. And then once you get all that done, everything is good to go. Granted, I'm missing one of my screws on my switch plate, and then you are ready to plug it in. Once you plug it in, everything will work, granted that you did it right, and then you are good to go. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I would appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you did. Let me know what you think about my lights. I think they turned out really great. Anyways guys, make sure to check out the description down below for anything else in the link tree, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I do a lot of Ask Me Anythings as an electrician. If you guys want to catch a live stream and ask me any questions, let me know. And I will see you guys soon. Have a great weekend. God bless. Peace.